Hello, this is Amritpal Kaur, and let's start with a sample writing task 2, and this is especially for the two-part question. So as it is expected that there is maximum chances that now this time on in the next IELTS exam the probability is that students will have two-part question. So let's start without wasting much time. So the question is, nowadays more people choose to be self-employed rather than to work for a company or organization. Why might this be the case? What could be the disadvantages of being self-employed? Okay, so structure is really easy. So in the first one paragraph we are going to explain why might this be the case, and then in the second what are the drawbacks of being self-employed. So let's start with introduction. So introduction could be that in recent years an increasing number of people prefer to be self-employed despite or instead of being an employee. You can use one word. Okay, so although the main reason behind this preference is the freedom which people get by working independently, the principal advantage is that the person not only becomes less disciplined, but also there is no guaranteed paycheck at the end of the month. Okay, so now body paragraph 1. The first and foremost reason that encourages people to opt for self-employment is the liberty and freedom that comes along with it. That is to say, if an individual is working in an organization, then they will be bound by the rules and regulations of the company and probably have a boss to dictate terms to them. Some people do not like this concept and like to work according to their own ways. For instance, if an individual is employed in the army, then he is bound by the rules and regulations. He would have to follow the dress code, meal plans, as well as timings. That is why people like to be self-employed, since not everyone appreciates being bound by the rules that someone else has made. Okay, so this is all about body paragraph 1. Now let's start with body paragraph 2. So it would be more like, however, the major disadvantage of being self-employed is that it requires a great deal of self-discipline to succeed, as the person is not dependent or answerable to anyone when working for himself. It becomes very easy to skip deadlines. Furthermore, on skipping deadlines or missing the set targets, there will be no one to bear the consequences except himself. Moreover, there is not a stable income. It takes years for self-employed person to establish themselves in their field, and until then there is no guarantee that they will have on or they will earn enough to make a living. So this is all about body paragraph 2. In conclusion, the need for liberty and freedom make people want to follow the path of self-employment, but they may fail if they deviate from the set targets due to lack of discipline. So this is writing task 2, which you should read once before sitting in the exam, because this can help you to score good in different writing criteria, especially when it comes to cohesion and coherence, so as well as grammatical range and accuracy, because your ideas may vary. You may have better ideas, but this is a good example, good sample answer you can watch and you can learn from. Okay, well, thank you. This may be helpful to you, and must comment how you are liking my videos, because it would encourage me to post more videos. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. All the very best for the final exam.